Hey, what's up, folks? Well, there it is, Suzuki's 2025 DR-Z4SM. This is a street legal supermoto bike for all of us riders out there who want to have some fun in the asphalt, but still have dirt bike like riding position. Let's take a look at it right now. There it is, everyone, the 2025 Suzuki DR-Z4SM. This motorcycle differs from the dual sport version in the fitment of these 17-inch spoked aluminum wheels. You have 17-inch spoked aluminum wheels shod with Dunlop Sport Max Q5A street legal tire. The rest of the bike is pretty much the same, aside from a little bit ergonomics changes here in the handlebar. We got this 398cc single cylinder engine, water cooled dual rod camshaft with a 4-valve cylinder head. This engine is good for right around 34-35 horsepower at the business end of that 17-inch rear wheel. This engine has a 5-speed transmission. A lot of you folks out there might be griping, 5-speed, why doesn't it have a 6-speed? Realistically, we've ridden the DR-Z4S, and that thing doesn't need a 6-speed, 6 gears. The gears are spaced well enough, and the engine has enough torque where it can pull a low gear, and still the engine has a versatile enough power band where the DR-Z4S can ride 90 miles per hour in top gear. This particular 4SM has a 2-teeth smaller rear sprocket, so we're going to have even more top speed. Expect right around 100 miles per hour out of this bike. This motorcycle drinks from a 2.3 gallon fuel tank, and with a full tank of gas, this motorcycle weighs in at 340 pounds, about 7 pounds more than the DR-Z4S dual sport. Look at this thing. We have this bike in sky gray. Kind of looks like a blue to me, or sky blue, I'm sorry, sky blue. It's like a Jordan, Michael Jordan era baby blue, which I really like. Look at this thing. This thing looks so good with this LED lights. Look at that bright LED headlamp and turd signals. Very, very, very tasty. Talked about the ergonomics. This handlebar is spaced just a little bit farther forward to give the rider a little bit more room in the cockpit, and these foot pegs are just a skosh rearward. Again, making for a little bit more sporty riding position. Look at this thing, folks. Of course, we have a lot larger diameter, oversized and cross-drilled front disc brake with axial mount Nissan caliper. Out back, we have the same size 240 millimeter brake rotor with an axial mount rear Nissan caliper. This bike has ABS, and you can turn off ABS independently of each other. You can disable rear ABS or disable ABS altogether. We have this KYB 43 millimeter fork, which is a pretty robust and heavy duty fork for this bike, with independent rebound damping adjustment, but compression damping adjustments limited to this right fork leg. We have just over 10 inches of suspension travel, or just under 10 inches of suspension travel front and back. We have this linkage equipped shock absorber with high and low speed compression, in addition to rebound damping and spring preload. Look at this dual twin spar steel frame and that cast aluminum swing arm. This motorcycle retails for only $9,000. I know a lot of you might think that's a lot of money, but it really isn't. I mean, think about this. This is a quality Hamamatsu Japan made vehicle. You're getting a street legal supermoto bike that you can have some fun on the street and still cut some skids around a go-kart track on the weekend. Well, everyone, that's a quick review of Suzuki's 2025 DR-Z4SM. We're going to ride this bad Billy Goat in a little bit on the street and at the aforementioned go-kart track. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Down in the comment section, what do you think of this vehicle from Suzuki Motor USA? And we'll see you in the next episode.